Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log into Canva. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and if without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, you're gonna go ahead first, access your browser on your phone and go to search bar and type in Canva, right? And simply search it up. Go ahead, tap on this first search option and this will lead you to this official website of it. You can go ahead install yourself an app as well, but you would like to stay on the web, and you're gonna go ahead, tap on this login option that will be given on right corner. Go ahead, tap on it. Now it will ask for you to add the information. You can either choose to simply enter your email that you created your account with and the password of it, or you can simply tap on continue with Google. It's simply gonna, if you have created your account with your Google, then it will ask for you to choose your account, which account you created your account with. Now go ahead, choose it, and there you go. You're simply gonna go ahead, get logged in here in Canva just like that. This is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.